All right, go ahead and pause the video and try these 3 questions to find the sum. As you can see, they're partial sum, meaning it doesn't go to infinity, it goes to finite number, so we call it partial sum, not infinite sum. So pause the video here and try it on your own, and I'll go over it. So the first one, it's 2 plus 5 n minus 1. So as you can see, this is arithmetic. And here's the formula for arithmetic series. So what do? You have 15 terms you're adding, so it's 15. So the series of 15 term equals to the n equals to 15, and you divide by 2. And the first term, when you plug it in, you get 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is usually the first term. 2 plus the last term, when you plug it in, 15. A 15 equals to what? 2 plus 5. 15 minus 1, which is 2 plus 5 times 14, which is 62. 2 plus 5 times 14 is, 72. So you get 72 there. So you find 15 times 74 divided by 2. So it's 15 times 37, which equals to, let me double check, 15 times 74 divided by 2. 555. 555 is the sum of this series. Second one. All right, so here what are we doing? It seems like it is arithmetic again, and the common difference is 4. So how do you, let's go ahead and write the explicit term, explicit formula for the arithmetic. So this is arithmetic. Common difference is 4. The first term is 10. So an, the nth term equals the first term plus n minus 1 times the difference all the time, right? This is given formula. So when you simplify it, it's 10. When you distribute it, minus 4n plus 4. So when you simplify, you get negative 4n plus 14. Why am I doing this? Because you need the last term to find the sum. This is the formula for the arithmetic series, right? Remember, adding 1 through 10, you have to add the first and the last term and multiply by 5, which was 10 divided by 2. So for the series of nth term, which I don't know what it is, so here you have to figure it out. How? This is your last term, negative 42, and that's negative 4n plus 14. So you have to find the number of term there. So I can subtract 14 from both sides and solve for n, which is negative 56. When you divide by negative 4, you get 14. 56. Since they're both negative, I can just use the positive numbers. So n is 14. Good. So once I get that, I can do the series of 14 terms equals to n times 1, the first term, minus plus the last term, which is negative 42, divided by 2. So that is 14 divided by 2 is 7 times 10 minus 42 is negative 32. So you get 224, negative 224. Let me see. 7 times negative 32 equals to, no, 7 times negative 32 equals to negative 224. Okay, good. Here it is a geometric, and this is the formula for geometric, right? Make sure you know where to find that formula on your formula sheet. So the first term is 2. That's the explicit rule of a geometric sequence. So first term is 2. So series of we're adding 20 equals to the first term times 1 minus the ratio 3/4. This is the first term. This is the ratio to the 20th divided by 1 minus the ratio, which is 3/4. So just do one at a time. It's 2 times. Let me plug this into the calculator. It's 1 minus 3/4, raise it to 20. That is minus, it's times 0.9968. Let me just round it to the 4th decimal to make it more accurate. Divide by 1 minus 3/4 is, 1 is 4, divide by 4/4, so it's 1/4. So now, or use the exact number, it's 2 times that previous answer, press enter, divide by 1/4. I get 7.981 when I round. I get 7.975. 975. Okay.